Hello, I'm Nerida and I'm here with Sashi from Sashi's Secrets and Masterchef Extraordinaire.
Hi guys, how are you?
Oh, we are living the dream.
Today we will be doing our special Nasi Goreng.
Yum!
You know, Nasi Goreng is something that is so popular, I think not only in Asia but throughout the world.
Absolutely.
This secret range comes with the rice cooked.
Oh my goodness.
So you don't even have to cook your rice. What you need is the proteins, and you will have that rice, we have the paste, and we even have garnish for you inside.
Oh my goodness. Just does not get me better.
There's no preservatives, there's no artificial colorings, everything is fresh ingredients.
And they are actually your recipes, and you have spent painstaking amounts of time putting these recipes together, haven't you?
Yes. Let's try it.
Okay.
I'm gonna crack 2 eggs. Give it a good whisk. Add about 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm gonna reserve the other tablespoon for later. Fry the egg. It's gonna be like a, scrambled egg,
Okay.
but cooked through. And I'm gonna take this and put it aside. Add your remaining oil. Add about 200 grams of chicken. Once the chicken starts to brown, we can add our prawns. You can see the prawns are changing color.
Yes.
So once it goes a bit to the reddish side, we know that the prawns are cooked. Since now the prawn is done, so I'm adding the vegetables. I'm adding a bit of chilli
Yep.
to give it a bit of kick to it. Just before we were preparing this, I placed the rice in the microwave for a good 1 minute. So I'm adding the rice now. So now I'm gonna add the eggs to it
Yes.
and my paste. There's a fair bit of paste here. And give it a good mix. Crank up the heat for a while so that all the excess moisture will go away. And yes, we are done.
Yay! Wonderful.
Now let's plate up. So let's plate up.
Oh, yay, my favourite part, plating up. Gosh, look at all the colours. It's just
Listen.
gorgeous.
What I'm gonna do is to add a bit of crunch.
So this comes in the packet too?
Yes, you have the fried shallots in your
Yum.
packet. So I'm gonna put everything on top.
Oh, so good. Because yeah, that would just give it a nice bit of,
Nice bite to it.
Yeah.
And the leftover chilies
yes.
on top. A bit of coriander.
Oh yeah, I love coriander. It's funny, people either hate it or they love it.
Yeah.
And I guess you could use parsley if you hate coriander, just for a bit of fresh.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
And 2 wedges of lime.
Nice. Oh, that's beautiful.
Heavy with some chicken, some prawns. How is it?
Yum. Oh my goodness.
Good?
So good. So
Okay,
good.
That's it for you.